be a hippopotamus. And I said, no, it's so fat. And he's like, my dad's fat, so
Congested, congested.
That's not fat.
Manuli ng mga...
I said he's not, and he's not fat. And then my friend said, I said, no, he's not. And my friend said, I can't find that fat. And then when I done saying that, I said, what, so are you a hippopotamus? He said, no. My friend said, no, I'm a fattest hippopotamus. And then his dad said, go home now. And then I said, go to the wakes. And I said, I'll call my friend the hippopotamus. Hippopotamus said, I will not go there. I'll go to the ground. And I said, hippopotamus is not in the ground. And then hippopotamus said, okay, I'm just gonna go to the trees like a monkey. And I said, you're so fat, you're gonna fall down. And then no, I'm gonna go to a tall tree. I'm sitting on it. Yay! The end. More. And I say one more thing. What if you cannot be a hippopotamus? And he said, hippopotamus said, wise. Pee-pee. Actually, no, wait. What's that again? Is it an animal? Wrong. Guess. It's a battery thing. Yes. And then why? Are you not just giving me? And I said, brain rot plus one. But I'm just gonna eat the poop for them. So I said, what are you not gonna go with me? And when toilet Skibbity said, the poop will transfer to your toilet. And I said, ew! And then he go already. And I said, make sure to put the poop on your face. The end of the hippopotamus Skibbity. You want to say your story to me too? I have nothing. All I know is my head eating the blood. That's not the story, man. Oh, wow, many people are there. Oh, you want me to fart on them? Oh, my friend. I kick him always. The one that he's going to eat the toilet. Oh, so that's his hole. The blue one. Not the big one. Like this.
Do park lang eh. Park na diyaw.
Give me my answer to eat. Yummy, yummy. No!
Park.
Your shoes is here, not there. Oh yeah, your shoes are
kay nakabisita.
Oh, but you're at all families there.
Kay nakabisita.
I'm gonna set his knife with me.
Sup?
I'm gonna set his mine
Sup
gun
na?
to him.